Today, we're going to talk about worm castings and their benefits in horticulture. Worm castings, also known as vermicompost, are the organic waste produced by earthworms. They are often used as a soil amendment in gardening and farming because of their high nutrient content. In this video, we'll explore what worm castings are, what they're used for in horticulture, and the pros and cons of using them in your garden. Section 1. What are worm castings? Worm castings are a type of organic fertilizer produced by earthworms. They are the result of the worm's digestive process, which breaks down organic matter into a nutrient-rich material that is ideal for plant growth. Worm castings contain a wide range of essential nutrients such as nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, calcium, and magnesium. They also contain beneficial microorganisms that help improve soil health and structure. Section 2. What are worm castings used for in horticulture? Worm castings are a popular soil amendment in horticulture because of their numerous benefits. They can be used to improve soil structure, water retention, and nutrient availability. When added to soil, worm castings help increase the soil's ability to hold moisture, making it more drought-resistant. They also help improve soil aeration and drainage, which is essential for healthy plant growth. In addition, worm castings contain beneficial microorganisms that help suppress soil-borne diseases and pests. If you want to know more about vermicomposting, subscribe to the channel now. Section 3. Pros and cons of using worm castings in horticulture. Pros. Organic. Worm castings are a natural and organic fertilizer, making them a safe and eco-friendly choice for gardening. Nutrient-rich. Worm castings are packed with essential nutrients that plants need for healthy growth. Improves soil health. Worm castings help improve soil structure, water retention, and nutrient availability. Sustainable. Worm castings can be produced at home using a worm bin, reducing waste and promoting sustainable gardening practices. Cons. 1. Cost. Worm castings can be expensive, especially if you buy them in large quantities. Inconsistent quality. The nutrient content of worm castings can vary depending on the source, which can make it challenging to determine the exact nutrient levels in your soil. Slow release. Worm castings release nutrients slowly, which can be both an advantage and a disadvantage depending on your needs. In summary, worm castings are an excellent soil amendment for horticulture, thanks to their high nutrient content and beneficial microorganisms. They are an organic and sustainable choice for gardeners looking to improve their soil's health and structure. However, they can be costly, and the nutrient content can be inconsistent, so it's important to choose a reputable source. We hope you found this video informative and helpful. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.